one of the major advantages to using this new camera, the R50, for sports. All right, right here you've got your record movie size. This is your standard setting right here, 29.97 frames per second. And also setting it for, as you can see, the record time there, 2 hours, 8 minutes. Now you have 5 hours, 20 minutes. I've not seen any difference between the two, except obviously the file's smaller, so go with that one. All right, now when you're shooting sports, you're going to want to go with 60 frames per second. As you can see right here, you get a little bit more time recording with that card. But there's a really cool advantage here, right here, right below movie record size. It's high frame rate. Click that, go to enable, and now you're filming at 120 frames per second. That's twice as many frames as the 60, and you will be able to freeze the action amazingly. Great for just about any sport you can think of. Now the downside, well, you don't get any audio. So you can switch back and forth on the menu while doing this. Like if you go here, and let's say you want to turn off the frame rate between plays of whatever you're filming, go there, hit disable, and it pops you right back to the 60 frames per second. So enjoy, use that. It's a great way to freeze action and take advantage of the new technology. Go Texans and go Texan TV.